In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a cigarette in Infinite Craft. Now, to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Infinite Craft on your browser. And here, go ahead and drag the earth and wind resources, combine this together, and you'll get dust. Now, combine fire with dust, you'll get ash. Combine earth with water, you'll get a plant. Once you combine plant with ash, you'll be able to get tobacco. Now, go ahead and look for plant on your canvas and drag it to your canvas, and combined with tobacco, you'll be able to get cigarette. And that is how you can simply create a cigarette on Infinite Craft. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like, and if you have any suggestions for other crafting recipes you want me to make a video on, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.